Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is an notice from NB, okay, is floating through across the social media, Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and individually, okay, and it's dated as on today, okay. It's related to the counseling schedule for NEET MDS FMG December session, PDCET Jan session, and most importantly NEET PG 2023. And it says that the date is 8th of January for NEET PG 23, and MDS on 18th of December, FMG on 25th December, and PDCET, that is post diploma common interest test, after completion of diploma NB, or like from government college you can go for that examination, is also on 25th of December. Okay. As I checked on NB website, the notice was not available. So there is a question whether this is real or fake. Okay. In recent past we had seen that the updates getting posted by government bodies like NB, it gets circulated somehow, um, much earlier. Okay, so it might be real. Okay, so we need to wait for that. Okay, and by today only we will come to know whether it's real or fake. Okay, because if it's real, then it should get uploaded on the website, because it's dated today, so it should get uploaded by today only. But on other hand, it was expected that this NEET PG 2023 will be happening in the month of Jan, but we were expecting dates come some kind of around 20 to 24, between 20 to 24, but it says 8th of January. So it's happening because they are trying to bring their schedule back on the track. Okay, but somehow the counseling is getting delayed, and ultimately the candidates won't get sufficient time or gap between the counseling last day of counseling and the examination date. So 31st of October is the last date of counseling as per the schedule published by MCC, uh, and then November and December, 2 months of time you will be getting. So it might also get delayed. The counseling might get delayed because it happened that in 2 months it's really difficult to complete the process because there are many challenges, software issues, registration, because a lot of candidates will access at the same time, so they may need to extend the dates. So even it gets completed by 15th of November, you will getting 1.5 months of time. Okay, and then CPS counseling will be happening around that same. So if it's real, then I will update you. Okay, and it's fake, then still I will update you. I just wanted to inform you that it might be around these dates only. Okay, but it looks real, as per like editing or something. Okay, so thanks for watching, and have a nice day.